up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go.
What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got this beautiful 1964 Impala SS. You heard that right, a true SS up for sale today. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and the ugly so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. But before we get started, please hit the like button and hit subscribe if you want to see all of our new inventory in every single day. Plus, you can watch us going after these classics and chasing classics, the series. All right, guys, 1964 Impala SS 327 automatic transmission. This is a true SS by VIN number. The paint shines on it fairly decent. You can see my reflection in it. It's definitely been repainted at least once. We'll go ahead and start with this. This is the worst part of the car, this fender. You got some chips right here, as you can see, against this body line. A couple chips in the paint there. You also got a little bit in here. Hubcap's got a little wear to it. A beautiful tread on the tires. They're 14-inch. It's pretty much brand new tires. Got a little bit of run in the paint right there. Roof looks like it's in good shape. You got a little ding right here. Small little dent there. You do have some wear and tear in this trim piece here in the rubber. Going back to the rear quarter, again, brand new tires on it. All four tires are brand new. Little imperfection there in the paint. Overall, it's a solid looker. Another imperfection there. It looks good up close. It looks good further away, but it's not a show car. You got some stickers on it from 1973. This was my client's vehicle. It stood in the garage pretty much for the past 20 or odd so years. Bumper seems to be in good shape. This is a perfect daily driver for somebody that wants to drive a true SS. Again, you're not going to pay outrageous amounts of money for this car. Little imperfection there, a little run in the paint there. Little crack there. Got this one priced in the description and in the title. You can see full price on it. You got little fish eyes right there in the paint. But guys, overall it's a pretty good car. You do got the lens missing on this side. Bumper's got a little wear on it. And then we're back on this side. We'll go ahead and look on the interior. Carpet's in decent shape. Seats do have some wear. You got a little cut right there. The biggest problem is the headliner starting to come down in the back. Automatic. Undercarriage is in fairly good condition except for one spot over here. You got one spot right there. The rest of it is in good shape. Show you this side, then we'll pop the trunk. So the other side has it right there. This is just starting on this side, but it's not gone through. The rest of it's good. No visible rust on the body at all. This needs to be fixed, it's coming apart. The other side seems to be fine. Yeah guys, it starts up pretty good. It runs very well. Chris, go ahead and hit that gas for us. Hit the accelerator. Sounds, that's good, Chris. Sounds good. The engine's nice and quiet. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. I don't think this one's gonna last long at all. 64 Impala SS, true SS by VIN number. If anybody's interested, give me a call, 215-801-9493. You don't have to deal with any of the salespeople. You deal with me directly, and we'll make a deal. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. Hit that like button if you want to see